module. This module is accessible via the Classrooms tab at the very top. You're going to click on Holding Classroom, and that's going to show you all the children that are in that holding classroom. So these are children that are not necessarily actually in a class. They could be linked to your enrollment module. So for example, this child has just recently been enrolled. Here you could add that child to the holding classroom. Click Apply Changes. Yes, I'd like to add the child to holding classroom. Now if you go into the holding classroom, you're going to see that child. There we go. And now it gets quite exciting. You can actually choose a proposed classroom for that child. Let's say Sharks class, and you can auto move them on a certain day. So let's say I want to move that child in the new year, January, let's say the 11th. And then you click Save Changes. So on the 11th of January 2023, that student will automatically move without you having to do anything into the Sharks class. It shows the status of the child, marked as successful. You can also go into your existing students page. So these are the students that are actually in your school. If you click on the View button, sorry, that child's already in the holding class, so I just want to choose, let's go into Kate Ackerman. If you click on View, you scroll down, you can add any student in the school to holding classroom. So they can remain in their current class, but what's good is you can actually now say I want to move that student automatically to the Dolphins class in January 11th. Click Save. So you can start preparing for the 2023 academic year beforehand and automatically move students with the click of a button. If you've made a mistake, you can easily just delete that child from the holding class. Yes, remove Kate, and then she's no longer linked to that holding classroom anymore. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.coza.